Hello, in front of me I've got BOSE QuietComfort Earbuds II. In this video I'll show you how to use voice assistant via gesture. In the beginning, let's go to BOSE Music app and now enter shortcut. Enable left shortcut or right shortcut. And now select shortcut for the gesture. For example, for the right shortcut you can select cycle through modes, and for the left you can select access voice assistant. Now press and hold the button located right here for at least 2 seconds to activate voice assistant. What's the weather like tomorrow? And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.